everyone. Welcome to Next Gen Data Aspirants Community YouTube channel. This is Babu. Today I am going to explore about Fabric workload recovery topic in Microsoft Fabric. So here if you see, this is the architecture diagram. Let's say if you are working on any of the creation of workloads in Microsoft Fabric like Lakehouse, warehouse, or pipelines to process the data, and if you create a notebook to clean and transform the data, and there is SQL database and database mirroring. So whenever you create any workloads, by accidentally or by mistakenly, it would got deleted. So if it is the case before this update, so we can't unable to recover these workloads. But now Microsoft Fabric is come up with a one recent update. So there is a option called recycle bin. There is a option called recycle bin. So even though if it is deleted accidentally, so you can recover it from your recycle bin. Like how this recycle bin will work. So for your OneDrive or SharePoint, how we have the recycle bin. Like if I delete, let's say Microsoft Word or Microsoft Online Excel, so that would automatically move to the recycle bin. From there I can recover to my respective OneDrive folder. So in the same way, in this workspace, let's say this is workspace, if I delete this automatically, I mean not automatically, if you would like to recover, we can restore from the recycle bin. Now let's begin the action. Now here if you see, this is my Fabric workspace. Here I have few workloads are there. If you see Power BI report, semantic model, mirror database, and Lakehouse, notebook, pipeline, SQL database, and warehouse are there. So here, so first what you need to do here, if you see, along with this pipeline app, manage access workspace settings, for the first time you are going and seeing recycle bin. So for few of you may it would not show here. Why? Because your Fabric admin need to enable this setting. How you can your Fabric admin can enable this setting? Go to this settings option. So go to admin portal. So here if you see, because I have admin role for this tenant, for my tenant, so that's why I am able to see these options. If you are not admin, you would not be seen this many options. So go here, just here you can type recovery. Once if you type recovery, here you would see Fabric item recovery. So by default it would be 7. So the minimum is 7, maximum is 90 days. See, once a item is recovery is enabled, deleted item are retained for a minimum of 7 days. You can specify longer period for a maximum of 90 days. So here let's say, let me change this to 30 days. Okay, let's click on apply. Okay, fine. Now let's go back. Let me go to the home. Let's go to this workspace. Once let me refresh this to reflect the changes. So then only you would be able to see this recycle bin icon. Otherwise, if your Fabric admin not enabled that option, so you are not able to see this recycle bin icon. Fine. Now what I'll do, let me go to this horizontal ellipsis. Let's go and delete. Okay, so now here what it is asking, are you sure want to delete this warehouse? Yes. So it will be moved to the recycle bin. You can check the retention period and restore it later. Okay, fine. No worries. Now let's go and delete. So now test warehouse deleted. You can restore it from the recycle bin. Okay. So now let's go and delete this Lakehouse. So go here. Let's click on delete. So let me delete. So here if you see, along with the Lakehouse, the child item also would be deleted. The child item also, see, there is no child item. When I say child item, it's a SQL Analytics endpoint. Okay, now let me go and delete this notebook. Here I will go and I'll delete. So let me click on the delete. Fine. So 3 items are deleted. So now let's go and click on recycle bin. So here if you see, Lakehouse along with the child item, warehouse, and notebook. So who is the owner? It's me. And who is deleted by? It's me. So when was the deleted? Deleted timestamp. This deleted timestamp. Okay. So expires in 30 days. See how I did this. I went to the admin portal and I changed this retention period. Okay, so in a real time, what would happen in single workspace? I mean collaboration workspace. There are multiple users are there. Even though owner is same, but there will be a user, there will be a B user. There may be chance to delete the individual items. Now how we can restore this? Just select this. Here you would find two options, delete permanently or restore. So this is not required for me, so let me click on restore. The moment I click, now it would restore. See, new lakehouse and related child restore to the fabric recovery workspace. So it means that lakehouse as well as restore child item. So now let's select this. Let me click on restore. Okay, fine. Now it is also restored. Now let me select this. Let me click on restore. Now it is also restored. Fine. Now let's go back to the workspace. Now here if you see lakehouse, test warehouse and notebook restored. Fine. Now let me go and delete pipeline. Okay, so fine. So now let me go and delete semantic model. Now for the first time you are seeing, are you sure you want to delete this permanently? So it is asking permanently delete. It is asking permanently delete. So ideally if you go and select this, for this it is showing this kind of notification, but for semantic model, when I click on delete, it is showing a different type of note, So it means that not all the workspace workloads. So here if you see, not all the fabric workspace will not support to this recycle bin concept. So there are some limitations, there are some restrictions. So we will see what are the workloads which currently it is supporting to this recycle bin choice. Okay. Now, so let me go to the Microsoft official documentation. Here this is the official documentation. We will provide this link in this video description. Please go through this. So here if you see, first let's see who is able to delete these workloads. Here if you see, so permission, if you remember, we have for a workspace viewer, contributor, member, admin roles. So admin is the supreme of the workspace. He can delete the item, he can recover the item, but member and contributor both are can delete the item, but permanently delete a recoverable item, no, this is not applicable. So viewer is like a just viewer, he don't have any privileges. Okay, fine. Now what are the supported items? See here if you see, the supported items are this many items. So this is the supported workload item types. Here if you see, API, GraphQL, copy job, Cosmos database, like this, lot of supported items are there. But why semantic model is not showing it? This is alphabetically sorted. Here if you see, there is no semantic model. There is no semantic model. And also report, Power BI report is also not supporting. So here if you go and see, when I am going and trying to delete Power BI report, see it is asking directly permanent delete. So here if you go and see, there is no Power BI report is also there. Okay, so this is all about workspace fabric workloads recovery. So let me give you a quick recap. In this video what we learned, so we deleted a few items. So upon delete, so it automatically moved to the recycle bin. After that we have an option to restore them. We clicked on that and we restored the item. For getting this recycle bin option, so your fabric admin need to enable the settings in fabric admin portal. I hope you all like this video. Please like, share, comment this video. Please subscribe Next Gen Data Aspirants Community YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching this video. Let's catch up in another interesting video.